All right, what's up, traders? So, is Bitcoin going to dump today? Let's find out. All right, so yeah, Bitcoin is most likely not going to dump today. You never know, right? I'm just trying something new here with a very, clickbaity intro to get your guys hooked. And now that you're still here, let's take a look at the chart. All right, so Bitcoin has actually lost the. I've covered this yesterday, so this one is just going to be pretty short because Bitcoin hasn't really done much since yesterday. So the analysis in yesterday's video is definitely still on point, and definitely valid still. So we had the daily open and close below range EQ with this daily right here, and that's very nice because I'm looking for lower prices, right? So that's definitely a good confirmation of that the range EQ has actually started to break down, right? Now, like I showed you yesterday, I wanted to see a clean 4-hour open and close below this level right here. I've added another line. I've added this low here. It's at 9,100, and also have this right here. So what I want to see is a clean 4-hour open and close below 9,100. I want to put in a possible short entry right here with a stop loss above this area for a trade down to range low. And I've been getting a lot of questions today about the fact that if Bitcoin actually pumps or dumps, how will alts react to that? Well, what you need to do in that fact with that idea is to actually take a look at the BTC dominance. So I've got marked out here the 11th of June and the 22nd of June. So let's take a look at the BTC chart. What happened on the 11th and the 22nd? This is the 11th and this is the 22nd, right? So we had a pretty strong dump and a pump from Bitcoin. This one is 8.5%, an 8.5% dump and a 5.5% pump. So how did the altcoin, the BTC dominance chart react to that? Well, pretty much nothing happened. We didn't really see a huge move from the BTC dominance. We were still ranging below this support, between this support and this resistance. So still ranging, right? So if we get a dump from current prices down to range low, how big of a move would that be? Well, that would be a around 6% move. So this one right here is actually bigger, right? So the move down to range low from current prices would be around, let's say, 7%. So it's actually going to be smaller than this one. So how would the BTC dominance react to that? And remember, guys, like if the BTC dominance falls, altcoins most likely go up. If BTC dominance goes up, altcoin market probably, loses value, right? That's how it works. It's the relationship between the altcoin market and the BTC dominance, where money kind of ebbs and flows in and out of altcoins and the BTC, and that's just how the BTC dominance versus the altcoin dominance chart works. It's a measurement of how many percentage of the total crypto market cap is in Bitcoin in comparison to altcoins. So the BTC dominance is showing weakness, while Bitcoin is showing weakness, right? So it's looking quite good for altcoins, right? If Bitcoin can continue to show signs of weakness that we're seeing right now, and the BTC dominance can continue to show weakness, I think we're in for a prolonged altcoin window. This is an altcoin window. If this area breaks down, we are going to see this whole area as a prolonged altcoin window. I'm not going to call it an alt season because I don't think we're ever going to see an alt season again like we saw in 2017. That's probably not going to happen again. But we are going to see from time to time these altcoin windows, and there's a great possibilities to make a lot of money. So there's nothing wrong with that. It's just you can't sit around just waiting for an altcoin season and you wait 10 years and nothing happened, right? But in those 10 years, you get 1,000 altcoin windows, then you're gonna miss out on those opportunities. I don't think so. What you need to do is you need to look for clear sign of weakness in the BTC dominance. That's when you enter altcoins. So if we break the 65% area for altcoin dominance, we are most likely coming down to test the 64.5% area. So that would mean that we have a possible 1 or 2 week of nice altcoin gains going forward. So right now I'm not gonna enter any trade on Bitcoin. If this were the chart on a Monday, I would most likely enter a short soon, but it's the weekend right now. I'm not gonna enter anything on Bitcoin over the weekend, and I'm not gonna enter any altcoin positions on the weekend either. Alright, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on my views on Bitcoin. Basically, nothing has changed on my views of Bitcoin. We're still ranging here. I'm still looking for some range low action, and it's very important that Bitcoin holds this range low for all coins to perform well. I do think that if we actually do fail, like if we dump straight through like this and we do not hold this area, I think that's going to spell problems for alts. But as soon as we, like, if we start to range like this, we continue to range inside this range, altcoins are most likely going to perform very, very well. I'd start getting worried if range low breaks, because that's just, we get a lot of confidence in that area, and Bitcoin is definitely going from a daily upturn to a daily downtrend if that happens. Alright, so I think that's it, guys. Finally, I've managed to do a short video. I feel like I wanted to do all my videos like 10 minutes, but it just doesn't happen, right? And I always forgot to mention that, I'm doing a live stream tomorrow. So definitely check that out. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah, thanks for joining everyone, and see you guys in my next market update tomorrow.